Hi everyone, welcome to Ladasar classes. In today's class, we are going to discuss about classes and objects because most of the students are asking and they are getting confused that what is the difference between class and object. So in today's class, I'll give a detailed description related with classes and object. Before entering into my class, we'll see a normal definitions which you are seeing in your day-to-day life. For example, when I ask any student that what is a class, so they are saying that class is nothing but collection of object. If I'm asking the same question, what is the object? They're saying that object is an instance of class. It looks something like class is nothing but collection of object. Object is nothing but instance of class. That sense that class is an object and object is a class. If class is an object, object is a class, either class should be available or object should be available. Both should not be available. But it looks both are not same. So now in today's class, we'll see in detail. I can give some clarification what is the difference between class and object also. So first of all, we'll go with the concept called as class. Class is nothing but imaginary thing. Class is nothing but imaginary thing. Again the question rises, what is imaginary thing? The things which you cannot touch physically is known as imaginary. The things which you cannot touch physically is known as imaginary. So some of the examples for imaginary things, sir. So I cannot touch the air, but I can feel the air. It is imaginary. I can have some ideas in my mind. I can have some ideas. It is nothing but imaginary. But I cannot touch the ideas. So these all are nothing but imaginary things. Now, coming to object. We'll see what is the object. Object is a real world entity. Object is nothing but real world entity. Now the question rises. What is the meaning of real world entity? What is real world? The things which you can touch physically. The things which you can touch physically is known as real world. For example, you take this board. I can touch this board physically. It is a real world. Now the question rises, what is entity? Entity in sense, set of attributes and operation. So object is a real world entity. Entity in sense, set of attributes and operation. Now the question rises, what is attributes? Attributes are nothing but it tells about the characteristics of the entity. Attribute deals with the characteristics of the entity. Operation deals with the behavior of the entity. Now again the question rises, what is the meaning of the characteristics? Characteristics is nothing but features of the entity. Characteristics is nothing but features of the entity. Behavior is nothing but operation again. We'll see with example in order to make you clarify here. If I take a car, a Tata car. So what are the features of this Tata car? This car has some name. This is one feature. Inside characteristics. Car has some color. Car has some price. So if you take with the example called as Tata car, the features of the car are name, color and price. So what is the behavior of the car? Car is meant for driving, yes or no? So it is nothing but operation. So I think that you got a clear idea about object. Object is a real world entity. Entity is a set of attributes and operation. Attribute deals with the characteristics of the entity. Operation deals with the behavior of the entity. If I take features or characteristics, nothing but name, color, price. For example, you take a human being. Human being is nothing but, for example, you take a Ramu, a person. Ramu has some name. Ramu has some features, yes or no? Like that you take anything, it comes under your object. Now we'll go with the class and object. We'll see some of the examples with class and object. For example, if I take a flower, flower is a class. Sir, why flower is a class, sir? Why not it is an object? When I say flower, the things gets in my mind is that flower is nothing but which gives some good fragrance. If I say rose flower, if the rose flower is existing physically, in sense, that is nothing but your object. So flower is a class, rose flower is an object. Similarly, if I go with car. So when I say car, the things comes in my mind is that car is nothing but where four persons can sit and easily, luxuriously they can travel from one place to another place. When I say Santro car or Tata car, if the car is existing physically, if I can touch it, then it is nothing but object. Similarly, if I take a pen, pen is a class. So I get an idea that pen is something which I can write in notes or book. So it's called as imaginary. If I take Reynolds pen, if the Reynolds pen is existing physically, it is an object. So what I want to conclude that class is an imaginary thing, object is a real world entity. So this is the difference between class and object. I hope you have understood my video. So if you like my video, please you subscribe to my video and click on the bell icon so that you can get further notifications. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.